Hello, I'm Amy Mann again from Centerville Regional Library. This is part 3 of origami birds. We're going to learn to make the drinking bird. Drinking bird. So we're going to start, just like with the crane and with the flapping bird, this is going to be the drinking bird. We start the same way with the bird base, the origami bird base, which I've already demonstrated how to make. So I'm just jumping ahead to starting from here. If you don't already know how to make the origami bird base, please go back and watch that video. So review that, and once you get your bird base made, you've got the opening at the bottom, the two legs at the bottom. I call them legs, they're not really legs. Do the book fold, which is take the top layer, fold it from right to left like the page of a book, turn it over, take the top layer, fold it right to left, and now it looks like this. Then you're going to fold the bottom to the top, but only on the top side. So take this top flap of the bottom half and fold it all the way to the top, like so. Okay, now this is quite different. So what we're going to do is just this top flap only. We're going to fold it so that this edge meets this edge. So it kind of is a off-center thing. Goes over like this, you see. And crease it. Then you unfold it. Then you're going to fold it so that this edge meets this edge. Like this. Crease it. All right, now what we're doing is we're making what's called a rabbit fold. This is always a little bit tricky. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this whole thing. You fold this in half. As it's folding, pinch this together. Tricky. Even though I've done this many times, I always have to relearn it every time I do it. Fold the whole figure in half, and you see what happens. That's what you want. Let's do that again. It's kind of complicated. So remember, you started like this. You folded this up to the top. You took this edge down to this edge and creased it. Took this edge down to this edge and creased it. Opened it up. Now you fold the whole figure backwards at the same time as you're pinching this together. The more you do it, the easier it gets. It's kind of magic in my opinion. Once you get to this point, we're going to take this head and do that inside reverse fold that we already learned. You put your thumb in here, push down, you see? Pinch it together, make a little head. Okay, there's your bird. Now, this part here is its bowl that it's drinking from. This is also a little bit fussy. You got to open it up somehow. Okay, how do we do that? Always sorry about that. Just sort of fiddle with it until it opens for you into like a bowl shape. Okay, it helps if you pinch this together while you're doing it. Sort of massage it until it's a bowl shape. Okay. Then to make it drink, what you want to do is pinch just the inside right here. See, just that, hold that. Then you got these two little pockets, one here and one here. Put your fingers into those little pockets like a puppet. All right, now to make it move, you just sort of lift and pinch. You just have to practice it until it works. See your fingers and you make them aim into the ball. There we go. Peck, peck, peck. I love this one. And that's your origami drinking bird. It's really quite simple, but it takes some practice. So, thank you for watching, and happy paper folding.